welcome to another video. As you can see, it is autumn and the leaves are changing. You notice the color of the leaves, which was green, are changing into different colors. It is pretty. Most trees are losing their leaves now, so you will see a lot of leaves on the ground. We just have a few green trees left to be changed, of course. But some trees will not be changing because they are evergreen trees. We have some trees like the pine tree, the oak tree, the spruce tree, and the fir tree. These trees are evergreen trees, so they won't be changing their leaves. A lot of leaves on the ground, guys. But this tells us that winter is just around the corner. Right now it's very cold, because even today it was about 38 degrees. So it's very cold. We are near to the edge of winter, and soon there will be no leaves on the trees.